Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you get some news when we get for now today. And the news concern this man, what they call Rochas Okorocha, the governor of Imo State, alias Mberiberism, and the DSS, with the Buhari government. All right. So make we go into the matter right now, as it is hot. All right. So Okorocha don't come out again, ladies and gentlemen. The news when we hear about Okorocha now breaking news. Now news when we say Okorocha don't dump APC. Okorocha don't dump APC. Una know say Okorocha get big problem with APC people. Not only with APC, with INEC. Not only with INEC. With this one they call Oshomole, including Buhari, aka Jobri. Okorocha get problem with all of them. Sure you get. So today the news don't come out now. Can't talk say Okorocha don't dump APC for now, but Okorocha never tell anybody the party when in they go. But we already know say now two party when everybody they jump to either APC or PDP, because we know say you get some parties when they that country like AAC, when we say somebody like Okorocha cannot go there, and all these corrupt politicians when they that country they cannot go into AAC because they know say AAC not be corrupt party, and that AAC now the political party now when we say now them they reign now in Nigeria, AAC. So, yes, this is a very, I don't know if it is a good news to anybody or good news to Okorocha or good news to, just, and so the matter just be say, Okorocha no wants to stay inside APC. Okorocha don't tire. You see, the problem when in the PDP, now small thing to compare to waiting they happen to them in APC. Because I know see Okorocha certificate, INEC don't talk say they no go give them. That is Buhari, not even INEC, Buhari, Oshomole, Osibanjo. Because they don't want, according to what Okorocha they think, Okorocha say nothing when go stop him if he won't become president of Nigeria. Say now only God go stop him if at all. You understand? Say Oshomole too small to stop his ambition to becoming Nigerian president. Say Oshomole too small for him. Say Oshomole no fit stop him. And nobody go fit stop him. Say na only God go fit stop him. So therefore, he no belong to APC again. But maybe time to come, Okorocha will come and come tell the world the political party when he go belong to. Now, Okorocha na very greedy person, ladies and gentlemen. Because if Okorocha not be greedy person, the man for just relax one corner. They enjoy money when they don't thief from Nigerians' coffer, or from Nigerians' coffer, or from Imo State people. But because of that greed now, Okorocha won't die because of power. Say because he must to become Nigerian president. Now greediness be this one, ladies and gentlemen. If not be greediness, Okorocha for the Senate House today. 9 people. When Okorocha refused to take care of, now then they fight against Okorocha. Although we know say this INEC people say Okorocha, say then they announce Okorocha as winner of that Senate election or senatorial election in Imo State under duress. But the thing where they see be say if Okorocha na better person, if he put things in place like the way things is supposed to be for people, if he govern Imo State very well, They close to him people, do things for him people. The things when him people they request from him. Okorocha for not being inside this problem today. But because of greed, because only him won't chop. Chop alone, die alone. So now so the matter be. Okorocha not be good governor. Okorocha not govern Imo State at all. The man not govern Imo State in good faith. Or with good faith. Only him and the family. Although I don't hear again now say he don't come out before contact say DSS and all of them they pursue him. But we don't tell and say then go continue to they pursue you until when you go bring out the whole money when you loot from Imo State people. Here you get not be better person. And now so all these politicians when they down Nigeria where they call themselves politicians when be APC and PDP. Now so problem. Now they go to get. Uno say Atiku own na. Atiku own they where he dey. They where he dey because all of them they not get better heart for the Nigerian people. They not stand for Nigerian people. They just dey there for their family and for themselves and for their friends. That's all. Even that Atiku don't talk and say in won't come enjoy, in won't pack in friends them come enjoy. Now the thing when in tell Nigerian people, now that one won't come become, now won't take use become Nigerian president. See in France, go come enjoy with them. Again, when I don't hear now say DSS, EFCC, all of them, then they accuse, now they don't accuse Atiku Abubakar, say Atiku Abubakar pay some military generals $10 million to make sure see they overthrow Buhari, aka Jobri. Then DSS come on one side. They accuse another other people. What they call community Nigerian Community and Progress (NCP). You understand? Say these people now then they call for revolution in that Nigeria. The spokesman of the DSS, what they call Peter Ifunanya. And the security agencies, that is the DSS, they don't dismiss the group. Say the group, they unpatriotic. For the thing when they want instigate. Say that them, they sponsor Boko Haram and all these bandits and the people when they sponsor and talks to make sure, say, they scatter the country so that they go get that chance, they do that revolution, so that the revolution will come to that country through that process of sponsoring all these bandits and all these Boko Haram and Hesmin and all that and all that. The same thing they don't tell Atiku Abubakar. Now make us say we no go they believe these people. Now that revolution what they call for, now we want. Because that man when they there, nobody vote for him. That man when they there, no Nigerian person accept Buhari as his or her president. Now that revolution, now what they call for. So that revolution go come, so that this government they go approve them, make them go house, go sit down. So now the DSS don't they accuse these people. Here these people, they not be them. Say they want overthrow Buhari so that they go form a new government and things like that, you know. And but the thing when we want to be say, no, they accuse Atiku, no, don't already accuse Atiku Abubakar, say Atiku pay 10 million. Now, no, don't come out, although we know say na APC people and APC government. And then they send all this DSS and police and army and EFCC to they talk this kind of a thing. Even though that thing whether they talk now true, we stand on revolution. But not we stand on revolution for total change. Not be revolution where they go do finish after the same kind of thing when they happen in Buhari or Atiku government or APC and PDP go begin happen again after the revolution. No, we don't want that. And the revolution, when we say Nigerian people, they call for, not be violent revolution, a peaceful revolution. Now him, we they call for. We know they call for violent revolution when we take lives for nothing. And maybe at the end of the day, the people, when they in charge, they go begin to tell us, say, the way when Buhari take rule, or when Obasanjo take rule, or the same constitution, now they go to use. No, we don't want that. We want peaceful revolution, and we want revolution, total revolution. Everything have to change. Then go rewrite the constitution, build what they're supposed to build for people, infrastructures, road, electricity, hospitals, and all that. That is what we want, ladies and gentlemen. Not be government when go come after Buhari, they're going to tell us, see, money not day, money not day. But then go they busy, they thief our money. We don't want that. So una know say now the thing when Buhari and his government now, the style what they use now military style. Now they use for Nigerian people. Because we don't somebody like Funky don't see say now say this military style, even this article about matter, what do they talk? They won't begin arrest innocent Nigerian people, arrest opposition, arrest people in the name of say they won't do coup. Now the thing now when one play out because I don't see waiting APC and the government or the politicians when they APC, I don't hear waiting that they talk. See Atiku pay 10 million. At the end of the day, maybe then go begin use army and police to intimidate Atiku Abubakar. We know they support Atiku Abubakar, ladies and gentlemen. Now as things be, now so they try to analyze them. Either they arrest Atiku Abubakar, they arrest opposition, although they do them already. They arrest people when not do anything. Now be the military style. In the name of say they won't plot coup. In the name of say they won't overthrow Buhari. No say this Buhari one day, I be the other one when don't die. Now the style, now that one style, now him this Jubri they use. So that people go still they believe say now Buhari they there. So now the thing now when APC government don't plan military style. Now they want now him they want they use now to handle their oppositions and innocent Nigerian people. Now the DSS now that they come out now they want to tell us just like the same thing when EFCC wants to tell us before say this violence say that because see Buhari win election or because see they won't overthrow Buhari. No, all these things don't do since 4 years when they don't the rule they come. This Boko Haram and this Hesmin they don't they there as usual. Even the time of Jonathan. But the problem where we get with the politicians be say they're not fit tackle anything. Then they tell us they won't give Boko Haram money. That money, then they choking them on their own. Then they tell us say they don't do this, they don't do that. All those money, they go to their pocket. All these things, when Funky D say, we don't want in that country what they call Nigeria. We are calling for revolution. Not be after revolution. We not going to see they behave like the way when Buhari and all these cabals them they behave. No, we don't want that kind of revolution. Even that kind of one when I want now only una when they plan this revolution now only una go do that revolution and nobody will send una. The only thing we want now revolution, peaceful revolution. When we see Buhari go come out, give us chance because nobody voting for there and the better person go enter that power. Person when go bring change or changes to that country what they call Nigeria. Person when go develop that country what they call Nigeria. Somebody when go make sure see corruption not in that country again. Somebody when go really fight that corruption, not be corruption fighting when Jubri aka Buhari take deceive 200 million Nigerian people. Up to today, they still deceive una. Up to today, they must still deceive una. Deceive us. With the election, when they say they do election, now deceive everybody. They not do anything what they call election. And we don't see some people now when they cry already say because if they stop Buhari, now be say some governors they no go resume office. It not concern anybody. The only thing we they talk be say Buhari not win any elections. So therefore, we don't want Buhari there, aka Jubri, the Sudanese, the imported man. Whether na Sudan it come from, or whether na Khartoum it come from, we go soon know where that man come from. Because they never tell us where that man come from. Or if we not see the way when the man they do things, you go know see not be Nigerian person. The man is not taking care of anybody in that country. The only people when we see when they enjoy with the man are the cabals and the politicians when they that country. Not be so it's supposed to be. To say on our bureau road, give us electricity, give us everything, give us hospital, give us schools, education, infrastructures, everything. Employment. Nobody go to disturb on her. Nobody go to call on. Nobody go mind on her. Nobody go even think about on her. But una not give nothing. And una they want me people they sing on our praises. Look at waiting then do now, waiting and make you go do. Now him be say, if anybody container land in Lagos, then go carry that container, go Kaduna State. Then you go travel from Lagos. From Lagos, travel, go claim your container in Kaduna State. What kind of country is this? Okay, Igbo land not they when we say because the things when people they bring from abroad, the people when they do that business, majority 99.9% are Igbo people. When they import things enter Nigeria or export things enter Nigeria. Or even they carry their export, they come out, they import, they come. Now Igbo people they do that business. Why they not go do that thing in Onitsha? Why they not go build that kind of a thing when they build that dry port now, build them in Onitsha so that it go did them easy to they claim their things instead of traveling to north when they know say north with an insecurity problem. They for that north. When they say north, all this Boko Haram and herdsmen they everywhere. How they allow people they travel from Lagos go claim your container in Kaduna State? This is bad, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Amechi when be Igbo man. Complete Igbo man. Even that name Amechi, Amarechi, na Igbo name. Amechi go do what they do with Hausa people. So that then go get time to claim things that belongs to Igbos. So that then go make sure they crumble Igbos' economy and their businesses. Can you imagine? This is insult upon injury. Why they not do that thing in Onitsha? Why they not do that in Warri when Seaport Day? Why they not put that in Port Harcourt? Why come be say Hausa people when they don't know anything about container? Now their place now Igbo man go they go carry things instead of maybe that Lagos one day before when they lie now say everywhere they congested, say no space. Why they not put them that same thing in Onitsha? This is to show you, say, Buhari and his government, they won't finish Igbo people. They won't finish Igbo people. Look at this 2023 now. When we say, now be the problem now, when Bola Tinubu and the R5 that they fight for, no Igbo man they come out. No wonder when Okorocha they cry, see man, they don't want any Igbo man. And they don't talk them before, they don't promise and say, no Igbo man will ever become Nigerian president in that country. So Igbo people make una gather, gang up on ourselves together, put things in order, make una stop to the support of these Hausa people. Because then go give una problem, belefu. Funky D. So ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when they there before. Now the matter when they there. Now so it be Okorocha say in don't dump APC completely. DSS say this group of people, what they call NCP, Nigerian Community and Progress, say they want overthrow Buhari, aka Jubri. They want bring in revolution come to that country. From Kidi say na revolution we want, but we don't want revolution when we say after the revolution, then go still they behave the way when this APC and PDP they do. Otherwise, make una leave that revolution there. The only revolution when we want is somebody when go bring us better thing to that country where they call Nigeria. In fact, a lot of my friends that they tell me say make I not mind all these Nigerian people. Yeah, because Nigerian thing now fuck up. They don't want to talk about them. They say Nigeria, now yeah, please, then only their family, then they think. But as a good citizen of that country, me when before Kidi, I love my country. And I want peace in that country. And that is why you see Funky D, they here, they do his own revolution. At the end of the day, we want better revolution when we come out, push all this APC and PDP and all these corrupt politicians, push them completely to the dustbin. Funky D, Funky D. One. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you never subscribed before, make sure you begin subscribe right now. And not forget to the comment. We need on a comment. Anything when you think about this matter when we talk today, make you comment them. If you get anything to talk, comment them. And again, don't forget to press that button, that bell sign when they there, so that anytime when Funky D upload, you're gonna get Funky D's video. Sharp. One love, everybody, and happy weekend. Thank you.